24-25 अभी तक फर्स्ट ईयर का रिवैल्यूएट नहीं हुआ है.
Fact, may submit, sir.
Yeah, just speak into the microphone.
In
Yeah.
the supplementary result, she declared fail.
And the supplementary.
Yes,
supplementary
yes.
exam.
And that's why there is, in fact, there is no provision for the revaluation in the supplementary examination. And she trying and demonstrate before the court. Respondent not permitted to appear in the second year MBBS course exam. In fact, there is the circular. There is the direction under the National Medical Council. Same cannot be permitted. I will seek the instruction as per the direction of the Honorable Court. If my lord pursue this, there is a clear-cut direction that if the candidate not passed in the supplementary examination, then she could not permitted to participate in
Second
the
year.
second
She
year.
wants to take the second year
Yes,
exam.
yes. He want, that's why the difficulty with the respondent like.
Yes, she will have to
My lord,
repeat that. That's what.
I'm completely agree with my senior, my lord. There is no provision for evaluation. But my lord, when mistake is apparent, my lord, when mistake is apparent and increase of mark can subsequently change the result, my lord. So उसमें honorable court and can exercise the power under Article 226, my lord.
कौन देखेगा कि mistake is apparent?
My lord,
कौन देखेगा mistake is apparent?
my lord can direct to appoint the independent evaluator, my lord.
No, but that is already. She has failed the
My lord,
supplementary.
what has happened in this case, my lord? What has happened?
कौन सा paper?
For a
कौन सा
moment,
था?
my lord, please come to page number 30 of
Paper कौन सा था?
paper 1,
Which is that?
It's, I think, anatomy.
anatomy, my lord.
Anatomy is
My lord.
one of the most important subjects.
My lord. My lord, what has happened, my lord?
She has failed in anatomy.
My lord. No, just because, my lord, question number
Which is the
3B has
college-
completely unchecked, my lord.
Which is the college where she is studying?
Which is
College. Name
College
of the college.
BBGMC Vidisha.
Huh?
ABVGMC Vidisha.
ABV. Vidisha.
Vidisha, my lord.
Is this the government college? Is it a government or private college?
Yes.
It's a government college.
It's a government college. All right.
For a moment, my lord, may please come to page number 30, my lord. That is even question number 3B. That is completely unchecked, my lord. अगर वो ही चेक हो जाएगा तो हमको अप्रोक्स 5 मार्क्स उसमें मिलेंगे. क्वेश्चन 3B एक बार देखिए. पेज नंबर 30.
Question number 3.
3B. पेज नंबर 30.
Yes, what is this?
What is happened, my lord? Petitioner herself filed the petition, my lord. तो उन्होंने क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखे हैं. अपने वो बनाया था ना synopsis.
Yes, now what about this? What about this? Who's to look into it? You want us to look into it? The court will look into it.
Yes, my lord. I'm agree, my lord. There is no provision, my lord.
Huh?
I'm agree, my lord. There is no provision, my lord.
What will the court do? What will the court do? The court is not going to assess these questions.
But, my lord, for a moment, my lord, question number 3B, may kindly be seen, my lord. That is not checked, my lord. Even 0 marking was given by the checker, my lord.
It may have been because it is law.
No, my lord. Because they have not checked.
How can they
Just-
know? The checker is someone who's an expert in this line.
My lord, that's why I'm praying, my lord, कि independent evaluator अगर appoint कर दें, तो
No, independence. She has already taken the supplementary also in this paper.
my lord, my lord.
She has failed in that.
Yes, please.
She has failed in that. So we are not in the same because
Sir, it was my first attempt. मैंने अपना मेन एग्जाम नहीं दिया था, ये मेरे को डिटेन किया गया था.
आपका सप्लीमेंट्री आपने दे चुके हैं, क्लियर नहीं हुआ, वो भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ.
सर सप्लीमेंट्री ही मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था. मुझे
एक ही अटेम्प्ट मिलता है सप्लीमेंट्री में, ये नहीं कि 10 अटेम्प्ट दिया जाता है.
In fact, she say Lordship is not participate in the main exam due to some
All right, that's right.
illness condition.
She could
Yes,
have
sir.
been- She was not well.
Yes.
कि
She
मेडिकल
took the
That's
supplementary she has failed.
fail.
And
And-
what is it? What is some? We can't stand every question answer field to be. I think we are not experts, especially this line. And in fact, we ourselves require assistance in matters relating when we read a postmortem report. उसमें आ गया कि the popliteal artery is severe. We need you look here and there. आप बता दीजिए. We don't know where's the popliteal artery.
सर मैंने आरटीआई के थ्रू अपनी
नहीं
कॉपीज
पॉपुलेटियल आर्टरी कहाँ मिलता है? हमें पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में मिल जाता है कि पॉपुलेटियल आर्टरी कट गया और आदमी मर गया. तो कहाँ मिलता है ये पॉपुलेटियल आर्टरी? आप मुझे बता दीजिए. He doesn't know. It is an extension of the femoral artery which goes down below the knees. It was found behind the knee joint. The popliteal artery starts from there. She's not been at it, she's not paid attention in her anatomy classes, which is the most important paper. So, there's one simple question that we put to her for us. If it is known to us, it should be known to her who has done her subject in this thing and that.
I'm short, only 5 marks have been short, my lord. और
That's
अगर
her thing. देखो, बच्चे ऐसा है कि there is no shame associated. We all go through this. There is no shame associated. Don't attach your ego or your sense of this. Not at all. Unfortunate circumstances come in everyone's life. You've not been able to do that. Study harder. This is a very, very important subject. And if you don't clear it, you could kill people if you don't know the basics. This is, as far as the anatomy and physiology is concerned, that's a basic thing. And that's why it's taught in the first year. And perhaps even forensic medicine must have been taught in the first year. Am I right? Forensic medicine also may have been a paper.
So not in first.
Not in first year, it will come up in second year. So we can't. I mean, if we start saying that this needs to be sent to an expert, everyone will come up and check. How do we know? It's
Lord, I'm only praying, Lord, any independent valuator may currently be appointed, my lord. उसकी जो भी cost होगी, my lord, I'm ready to bear it, my
no,
lord.
it's not a question of us.
My lord.
It's a question of opening a floodgate. Do we set a precedent where anyone can come and say that my paper in tomorrow it will be engineering, third day it will be nuclear science. Someone coming up and telling us our paper has not been checked properly, get it rechecked. So we can't open up something that is highly undesirable. We're not experts and we don't know whether this answer is right or wrong.
No, that is why I'm praying, my lord, कि कोई independent valuator अगर point हो जाए. Yes.
Facial palsy or Bell's palsy maybe. So there's a very financial involved cultural grouping.
सर मैंने 2 प्रोफेसर से अपनी कॉपी क्रॉस चेक करवाई थी जब मैंने आरटीआई के थ्रू अपनी कॉपी निकलवाई थी। सर उन्होंने मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस और एक होप दी है कि बेटा आपके ये आंसर सही हैं, आपके इनमें मार्क्स बढ़ सकते हैं।
And it says, the practical discovery.
और सर उनका कहना था कि आपकी अगर दोनों कॉपी अच्छे से चेक हो जाए तो आपकी कम से कम दोनों कॉपीज मिला के
We just can't. ये किसी से भी आप पूछ के आ सकते हैं और बोल देते कि ये ठीक से चेक नहीं हुआ तो दूसरा तीसरा चौथा पांचवा सब आ जाएंगे हमारे पास कि हमारा भी ठीक से चेक नहीं हुआ, हमारा भी दीजिए. We can't go ahead and do that. We just can't go ahead and do that. It's impossible for us to do that. Yes, there is a provision of revaluation of
In fact,
supplementary
it's-
exam.
In the supplementary, there is no as such provision. In fact, what happened today, Lordship, last 3 days is the continuous holiday. Due to I am received the instruction specific on the participation of the second year MBBS exams. If my lord thinks that some time may be given, I will produce all these relevant regulations and circular regarding it.
No, this
But there is no provision for revaluation in that. As per my
But what has happened, my lord? There is an apparent error, my lord. Even question number 3B have not been checked, my lord. That can be verified by an extra P1, my lord, page number 1313.
long answers.
Even जो long answer थे, my lord, that is also under mark, my lord.
Which one? To repeat first year, isn't it? That's the rule.
My lord, she is a meritorious student, my lord, और इस error की वजह से पूरा 1 साल पीछे हो जाएगा.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसे उसका आसमान आपके सर पे नहीं गिर रहा है मगर बेहतर है कि आप 1 साल बाद एक बहुत you become a better this thing I mean what do you call doctor One.
Not just about one question. Sir, I've already mentioned standard reference source along with the page number. You can check both the long answer questions और मतलब
क्वेश्चन पे आंसर को हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं
Then how can we find out whether the answer is
आंसर
correct
को
or
टेस्ट जो है एक्सपर्ट
Yeah.
करेंगे एक्सपर्ट ने आपको मार्किंग किया हुआ
किया हुआ है? And the experts have
द
checked out.
एक्सपर्ट ऑफ
सर मैंने जिन प्रोफेसर से क्रॉस चेक करवाया था उन्होंने कहा था
We
बेटा
can't go into that.
भी
We
किसी
can't
का
go
आंसर
into
को
that.
दिखा सकता है
कि वो बोलते हैं कि फिर से रीचेक और किसी ने कह दिया हम उसको कैसे मान लें? We can't just take it on that face value.
Lord, I'm not here to request for any undue advantage or any special
If we
treatment
give it to
towards
you, if we give it to you, there'll be 10 others who have not cleared in some other paper, who will be before us. You've given it to Madam so-and-so, you've given it to Madam Ojas with us in Toman, we want the same relief. वो सब आ जाएंगे और हर साल आते रहेंगे फिर. That is the difficult. We can only go by the rules, and the rules and regulations do not provide for re-evaluation. Rechecking, yes, as far as
Yes,
retotaling is
rechecking
permitted.
is-
Retotaling is only the thing that is permitted, not re-evaluation.
Lord,
I'm only saying, Lord, any independent evaluator may kindly be appointed, my lord, so that
No, for what? I mean, the thing is now, if we appoint an independent evaluator, in your case, we'll have to, every other case coming to us, it'll open a floodgate. You'll have hundreds of students coming who didn't clear some paper or the other. She's not cleared anatomy. There may be someone else who's not cleared some other paper.
हाउ
So it's
मेनी
a-
नंबर आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर पासिंग आई मीन कितने नंबरों की आवश्यकता है इसमें जो
only 5 marks, my lord.
हाँ?
Only 5 marks is required, my lord.
Just-
बहुत
you
ज्यादा
see,
है। दो नंबर।
even if it is one or two numbers, this is relating to medical sciences of which the court has no idea. Has no idea at all. So that's the difficulty. And we ourselves, when we go through the postmortem reports and all, we ourselves need the assistance of the doctor is called to the trial court precisely for that purpose, isn't it? To educate the court on the, especially in this particular subject, anatomy. डंडा पड़ा है कहीं पर and the injuries are there, we don't know as a judge कि कहाँ पर डंडा पड़ा है. तो वो डॉक्टर आके बताएगा सर पे पड़ा है कि पैर पे पड़ा है कहाँ. उनकी टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज रहेगी. So as judges we can't really this thing. इसका ठीक है इसको deserve, you'll deserve it for orders. You'll deserve it for orders. Yes, next case.
I'm so grateful, sir.
Item number 6, the Shantamangavan, the Rangama
continue.